guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kirsty from Pink's Boutique, the luxury organic skincare, and I'm going to talk to you today about the fact that I know you are buying your beauty products based on the bottle and the box. I know you are. I just know it, and this is why you can't do that. When people think about food and drink, like this is easy. So you're in your kitchen, you're in the supermarket, you're in a deli. You know what you're doing, like you're looking at the ingredients, you're looking at where it comes from, you're looking at the source of it, and it's completely accepted in food and drink. You completely accept that if you want the best wine, then you are going to get a wine that comes from a specialist vineyard that's maybe on the top of a mountain, that's only got some special alkaline water that feeds it, and there's one man and his dog who individually handpick the grapes, and they only make a small batch and a small yield, and it's like literally the best wine on the earth, and you're drinking it, and it's expensive, and it's elite, and it's awesome, and it makes you feel cool, and it's amazing, and you know you've won because you've got the best wine. Equivalently, sorry veggies, but like a steak. You know that if you buy a Kobe steak from a cow that's been massaged every day of its life and only fed beer, that you're going to be sitting in that amazing restaurant and you have got the best steak, the most elite version, the best. Okay, so why is nobody thinking about beauty like that? It's just the same. It's all grown ingredients. Like, why do you not think about the ingredients in the bottles being totally based and relevant to the soil that it's grown in, how it was treated, what was poured on the soil, where that soil was, how good that soil was to affect the potency and ability of the plant, who picked it, who made it, how it came to you? They're the same, and nobody gets it. So people think about organic skincare because it's less toxic and more healthy, but nobody thinks about it being elite. Like, we're all totally topsy-turvy. You need to think about the inside of a bottle, and it should count more than the outside of the bottle. And one of the things I will tell you is that as a good gauge, the more sparkly the outside of the box, the more impressive and thick and big the bottle, the very, very strong likelihood is the liquid inside will be cheaper. So the liquid inside will be cheaper because the brand can afford, it's got a price point that the box, the bottle and the liquid have got to go in. If the bottle costs an absolute ton, the liquid can't. It's just maths. So equivalently, when you take a brand like Pink's Boutique or Proverb, what you'll find is there's not so much glitz on the box. There may not even be a box. Quite a few of them don't have boxes for just this reason, because the cash goes in the liquid. Just like you want your cash to go in your wine and your steak or your amazing vegetables or your flowers, same game. Get it? And that really is like literally my daily life. That is what I am trying to get people to understand. And please go and have this conversation with your friends and just explain it like I have done. Now, we are literally about to get to the peak time of year where boxes, bottles and bows are going to be everywhere. It's Christmas coming and it will all be about wrapping. And so there is no better time of year to start thinking about actually how crazy it is to care about a bow compared to a liquid. And within Pink's Boutique, what we're doing this Christmas is that for the first year, we basically haven't got any Christmas packaging. We have got really, really strong gift with purchases because I want people to have the right liquids. So you buy an eye cream, you get the serum free. I would rather do that than spend pounds and pounds on glitzy bows for you when we know it's going to be going in the bin or being recycled, and it's essentially wastage for the world and wastage for your cash, for whoever you're buying that present for. So that's a bit of a Pink's Christmas thing that is coming, but the story earlier in this video just counts all year round for the rest of your life. That should be the way you start thinking about beauty therapy. I promise you, any bottle or box you have used before that isn't something like a Pink's Boutique organic certified brand, the label and the bottle and the box will cost more than the liquid. And for your skin, that's just insane. That is not going to get the results you want. That is not going to make you look and feel better. And ultimately, that's why you're buying it. So, it's time to think about it a bit differently. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed my mini rant about bottles, then please subscribe, leave any comments, and share this with anyone who you think needs to give some consideration to their shower routine and where their emphasis on life is. Just down below there, thumbs up, comments, and I will see you soon, guys.